Have you ever seen a whale explode? At first I thought someone had planted a bomb inside it, but the truth is far more disturbing. Imagine a massive creature, its belly swelling like a ticking time bomb, pressure building with every second, and then, boom, intestines shoot out like shrapnel. But what really causes this? And what happens after the explosion? Before I reveal the answer, hit like if you're human, so prove you're not a dolphin, and subscribe. When a whale dies, bacteria inside its body create gases that make it swell and float. Out in the ocean, scavengers usually feed on the carcass until only the skeleton sinks. But if the dead whale washes ashore, gases keep building up with nowhere to escape, turning the body into a pressurized balloon. Eventually, the pressure can get so extreme that the whale literally bursts open,